Hello, my wonderful friends. This is Ola again, and today we're gonna discuss the genre fantasy. So, to start and learn, we need to remember what is a genre. A genre is a type or style of writing. We have two main genres, fiction and non-fiction. Fiction stories are imaginary. Non-fiction stories are real. They give us facts and information. In this video, we will learn more about a fiction genre called fantasy. A fantasy story includes imaginary characters that does not exist in real life, like witches, magical creatures, talking animals and objects like the talking teapot, supernatural characters as well. A fantasy story also includes imaginary settings, and as we remember, settings means the time and the place of the story. And the time and place in a fantasy story are not real. They can be anything you want to imagine, such as a house on the clouds, or a castle on a tree, or far in the future where birds may talk and aliens may come. Writing a story is so much fun. It releases the imagination and helps us live in our own stories. However, and in order to make our writing very interesting for others to read and enjoy, we should remember the following. First of all, we have to always use a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and never forget to use end marks at the end so they can understand where the idea begins and where it ends. Also, we need to use a variety of vocabulary words. We use verbs, adjectives, and nouns, and we have to make our writing very interesting and descriptive. We may also draw or use interesting illustrations for the reader to enjoy. It would be very useful if you try to map out your wonderful ideas and organize them before writing. For an example, you have to decide where and when the story is taking place. You have to choose your characters and think, how do they look like? How do they act? All the details that you would like to include to make your story interesting to read. Now it's going to be interesting to write about myself because I'm a talking owl and talking owls do not exist in real life. Wow, that is exciting! My name is Ola and I'm a greenish-bluish owl. I enjoy flying so high and I live in a faraway land where it snows in the morning and it's sunny at night. Wow, that is a wonderful imagination. I have my settings ready and the characters there, but I need to think of more ideas. Will you help me with that? See you in our upcoming video.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.